Taking snapshots of your DigitalOcean managed databases is an essential task for maintaining data integrity and business continuity. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a snapshot of your managed database. First, navigate to the DigitalOcean dashboard and select the managed database you want a snapshot. Click on the database to access its overview page, where you can view its current status and configuration. Next, click on the Snapshots tab. Then click the Create Snapshot button. You will be prompted to enter a name for your snapshot. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to identify. DigitalOcean will then create a snapshot of your managed database. This process may take a few minutes to complete depending on the size of your database. You can monitor the progress of the snapshot creation from the Snapshots tab. Once the snapshot has been created, you can use it to restore your database to a previous point in time, or to create a new database from the snapshot. It is a good practice to create regular snapshots of your managed databases to ensure that you can recover your data in case of an unexpected event. It is also important to note that snapshots are stored in the same region as your managed database and are billed at the same rate as other storage resources. Make sure to review your snapshot retention policy to ensure that you are not accumulating unnecessary snapshots and incurring additional costs. In conclusion, creating a snapshot of your DigitalOcean managed database is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can ensure that your data is protected and easily recoverable in case of an unexpected event. Regular snapshots are an essential part of any data management strategy and can provide peace of mind for database administrators and developers alike.